Mirror's English song, Day Zero, officially released. Mirror is currently preparing for a concert tour in the United States and Canada. Their latest English single, Day Zero, a collaboration with NBA player Damian Lillard, is officially released and will premiere on the radio at noon. Mirror had already announced at the end of their Hong Kong concert in early February that they would release their second English single, Day Zero, and they also collaborated with rapper Damian Lillard. Leader Lockman also revealed that they will perform the new song for the first time at the San Francisco concert. Mirror's official social media released the song promotion photos with Damian Lillard. The rap lyrics of Day Zero were composed by Damian Lillard.